Before AIM, I was working for a car dealership in New York City. Spent about 4 or 5 years there. Being a passenger on airplanes as a kid, I always liked flying. My cousin had told me about the school opening up in Charlotte. I got to tour the school, and that's when I decided to make the move to Charlotte. The second I started at AIM, I got to meet some really cool instructors. I got to hear their experiences, and I feel like that was part of what I wanted to be. And once I graduated, came to Charlotte, working on these aircrafts, this is where it's at. Every day is different. I'm an A&P mechanic. With PSA, they have you on everything. You come in not knowing what you're gonna work on that night. You know, it could be a fault on the aircraft, so it just depends on where they need you for that day. Knowing that we're helping keeping the fleet intact, getting our passengers to their destination safely and on time. It's a big responsibility, and I'm here for it. I'm ready for it. If this is what you wanna do, go for it. If you're willing to put in the hard work, it's gonna pay off. The second that I came to this hangar, seeing the major projects that we're working on, it's unreal. To AIM themselves, I appreciate everything you guys have done for me. They've definitely helped me get going, gave me the right contacts, gave me the right resources to get my career started.